This is the Gerber Genuine 90-550 packing. Now this is for the laundry faucet and it fits the models 49-550, I apologize, the 49-530 and the 49-556 Gerber laundry faucets. Now we'll get a couple measurements of this packing. If I can get it out of the bag here. There it goes. It's kind of hard to see here, but it is made from graphite, so it's a little malleable. Right, now we'll get some measurements of it. Get a complete diameter. See right there, it measures right above ½ inch. That's right there at 3/4 of an inch. Right. Yeah, once again, this is the Gerber Genuine 90-550 graphite packing.